Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to enable TPM 2.0 and secure boot on your PC to fix Battlefield 6 errors like secure boot or TPM 2.0 not enabled. Let's get started. First, open your Start menu. Click on Settings. On the left side, select Windows Update. Click on Advanced Options. Scroll down and open Recovery. Under Advanced Startup, click on Restart Now. Your PC will restart and open a special blue menu. Once you see the blue menu, click Troubleshoot. Then click Advanced Options. Select UEFI Firmware Settings, and then click Restart. After restarting, your computer will open the BIOS, or UEFI setup screen. Step 3. Enable TPM 2.0. Now you're inside BIOS. This process can look different depending on your motherboard brand. But here's what to look for. On Asus motherboards, like mine, go to the Advanced tab, then open Trusted Computing. On MSI motherboards, it's usually found under Settings, Security, Trusted Computing. On Gigabyte motherboards, look under Peripherals, Trusted Computing. On ASRock motherboards, go to Advanced CPU Configuration, Trusted Computing. Now look for TPM 2.0, sometimes labeled as PTT on Intel systems, Platform Trust Technology, FTPM on AMD systems, Firmware TPM. Make sure the TPM or Security Device Support option is enabled. Step 4. Enable Secure Boot. Next, go to the Boot tab. On Asus motherboards, you'll find it under Boot. Then click on Secure Boot. On MSI boards, go to Settings, Advanced, Windows OS Configuration, and then find Secure Boot. On Gigabyte boards, it's under Boot, Secure Boot. On ASRock boards, check Boot, Secure Boot Configuration. Now make sure that Secure Boot is set to Enabled. If you see an option for OS type, make sure it's set to Windows UEFI mode. Once both TPM 2.0 and Secure Boot are enabled, go to the Exit tab, select Save Changes and Reset, or press F10 on most systems. Confirm by selecting Yes. Your PC will restart, and now both TPM 2.0 and Secure Boot should be active. And that's it. You've successfully enabled TPM 2.0 and Secure Boot. Now, Battlefield 6 should launch without any errors. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and drop a comment if it worked for you.